The community office at Howard Hanna is pretty much what an agent wants to make it. They can choose a community that they want to really do their business in, whether they're from that community, they grew up in that community, they lived in that community, or it's a community that they just really want to get to know people in. So my situation with my community office is I actually grew up here in New Richmond, and that's where I have the most experience. I have been in the real estate business for over 17 years. I started as an administrative assistant with another brokerage in relocation, and I ended up coming to this company also as an administrative assistant, and I built my way up as a manager and now as regional VP.
Hi there, my name is Matt Stoltz. I'm a realtor here at Howard Hanna Real Estate Services. I'm actually on a team with my wife, Christy Stoltz, and we are a team sold by Stoltz. Before I was a real estate agent, I was actually a firefighter, EMT for almost 25 years prior to getting into the real estate service. I would say that the fact that I grew up in this area, I served in Clermont County as a firefighter for a quarter of a century. I know the areas very well. I know the ins and outs. Specifically, if you're looking to be closer to the river, if you're looking to be closer to the city, or if you're looking to be out more rural, I know the areas that the people would need to be looking in.
I would say the best place to grab a burger is probably Front Street Cafe because they have specialty burgers on the regular. I believe there's a weekly burger and they have really good burgers. You can get a good glass of bourbon at Buck's right down the street here from our office. They have probably over, I'd say, 200 varieties of bourbon, and they also host a bourbon club every month, which I am also a member. So they have really, really good selection of bourbon, and they're great folks down there. The coldest beer in town is probably the Green Kayak. You can go there and get some really good beers and other alcohol. Plus, they have some great live entertainment and things there throughout the week. I would say come down. The river is a wonderful place to be. There's boating, we can do kayaking, there's events that we have down here. We host different music in the park over here at Hauserman. We actually sponsor that. There's a weekly band here every week in the park. They have some things down at the bandstand, and there's lots of things that they can do here in New Richmond and spend a good weekend or be here for the rest of your life.